how to set the keyboard numbers and symbols to 3x4 or Qwerty or language dependent on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we then scroll down and tap on general management. Next tap on language. Sorry, we actually need to go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings and then tap on languages and types. Now from here we go down and tap on numbers and symbols. And from here you can choose language dependent, Qwerty or 3x4. So if I select language dependent, you can see here if I open up my keyboard, if I tap on this symbol here, it will show number row at the top and then you got the symbol at the bottom. If I switch it to say 3x4 like this, then on my keyboard when I tap on it, I have a 3x4 layout like a calculator. Okay, if we go back in here and then tap on numbers and symbols, here it said that use 3x4 only in portrait view, so you can enable that so that it's only available in portrait view. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.